In today's video, I will teach you how to use the Mixer Brush tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, in the menu bar, click on the Select tab and select Subject. Once your subject is selected, go ahead and press Ctrl J on your keyboard to make a new layer with only one subject on it. Now, press Ctrl D to deselect. And in the toolbar, right-click on the brush tool to reveal the Mixer Brush tool, and before using the Mixer Brush tool, make sure to select the background layer and press Alt and click on the background layer to select the source. Now, load the brush. On the top panel, make sure to disable the Load Solid Colors Only before adjusting the brush settings depending on how you are planning to use the brush. In this tutorial, I will set the brush size to 70 and hardness to 100. I also set the wetness and load to 100, mix to 38, and flow to 65. For the brush that I'm using, I enable both airbrush style build-up effects and smoothing. For advanced settings, go ahead and click on the brush settings icon to open its panel. Here, you can enable shape dynamics, scattering, texture, transfer, brush pose, build-up, smoothing, and protect texture. The settings that I often change is the scattering and transfer. Here, you can adjust the pattern of your brush as well as the opacity of each stroke. You can also see the changes in the preview bar at the bottom of the brush settings panel as you change it. And here is the result of my brush. Now you can use the Mixer Brush tool in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.